Hello friends, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Friends, this video contains a very beautiful, stylish and trendy collection of borderline embroidery, embroidery borders, hemline embroidery and different type of embroidery borders for you. You can design these very beautiful patterns and arts of hand embroidery borders onto your sleeve borders, onto your daman borders, onto your chalk borders, onto your scarf, dupatta, sari, pallus, and even you can design by making double parallel embroidery borders onto your hemline or neckline to make your neckline more beautiful and creative as well. But the scope is not only limited to this. You can also make these very beautiful borderline embroidery patterns onto your kalidar suits and frocks as well. So my only request to you is that please don't go anywhere. Watch the video till end so that you could get all the amazing stylish and trendy ideas. With your love and support, we have reached at this level. So I am requesting you again, guys, that if you have subscribed my channel, then subscribers are very important. Already subscribed subscribers could also subscribe from many other devices as well. And new subscribers, newcomers, please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon so that you could remain notified with the latest updates and uploads on my channel. Guys, we do our best, and the basic purpose of our making videos on these very beautiful and trendy designs is to share creative and beautiful ideas, not to reclaim someone else's work as our own. So I hope that you are liking the ideas, the content, and the patterns. So the beauty and creativity of these designs is that you can also make these very beautiful patterns of hand embroidery as machine embroidery, as silky thread embroidery also. And if you want to create a very beautiful and sleek touch to your home decor, you can make these beautiful patterns of embroidery onto the table covers, table mats, onto pillow covers, onto bedsheet corners and borders. Even you can embroider these patterns of embroidery onto towels, and different accessories that are mostly used for home decor. So stay blessed and thank you so much for watching. See you soon in a new video.